Good morning students. Today we are going to do exercise 13.7 based on volume of cone. Volume of cone. First remember some formula related to the cone. Yes. If we talk about that slant height, then it is equals to h square plus r square. CSA because we will use that also pi rl. And third one is that volume. Volume of cone is equals to 1/3 of the volume of cylinder having same base radius and height. Clear about that? Now see that questions based on that. Three things you have to remember here. First is that L. Then it curved surface area, then it is volume. Okay? The first one question is that it is given that R is equals to, example you can take as an example, that is R is equals to 3.5 centimeter, R is equals to 3.5 centimeter, H is equals to 12 centimeter. We have to find out the volume. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन फाइंड आउट करना है. How we can find out the volume of cone? Simple it is when the formula height and radius are given, then it's very easy it is. Volume is equals to, volume of cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 multiply by 22/7 multiply by 3.5 multiply by 3.5 pi r square h is 12 centimeter cube. If I want to remove the decimal, I will divide by 10. Now we can simplify. 5 7 is 35, 5 2 is 10. Yes. 7 will be cancelled out. Here also 7, 2. Yes. We want to solve that. 2 6 is 12, 2 1 is 2, 2 3 is 6, 3 1 is 3. Yes. If you multiply 20 into 7, 154 centimeter cube. So what will be the volume? 154 centimeter cube. Now second question is that R is given here 7 centimeter, L is given here 25 centimeter. We have to find out the volume. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन फाइंड आउट करना है इसमें भी. और हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन? टू फाइंड आउट द वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन वी रिक्वायर्ड h. What we required? H. When L and R is given, then H is equals to L square minus R square, because in between that kind of triangle will form right angle. It is L, that is H, and that is R. So by Pythagoras theorem, H is equal to square root of L square minus R square. Square root of 25 square minus 7 square is equals to 625 minus 49 square root of 576 centimeter. If you remember that 576 is the square of 24. So what is the height? The height is 24 centimeter. Now we have to find out the volume. Volume is equals to 1/3 pi r square h, means 1/3 multiply by 22/7 multiply by r, that is equals to 7 multiply by 7 multiply by h centimeter cube. If we will simplify, 7 1 is 7, 3 1 is 3, 3 8 is 24. If we will multiply them all, that is equals to 1232 centimeter cube. Now next question is there, third is, in that volume is given. What is given? Volume. Volume is given, that is volume of the cone is 1570 centimeter cube. 1570 centimeter cube. Height is equals to 15 centimeter. Then find out the base radius. क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? हमें रेडियस फाइंड आउट करनी है. क्लियर अबाउट इट? अब हम रेडियस कैसे फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं? इफ वी नो द फॉर्मूला, कंपेयर देम. वॉल्यूम ऑफ अ कोन इज equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h is equals to 1 upon 3 pi is equals to 22 upon. Here mention also that pi you have to take as 3.14. Pi you have to take as 3.14, as well I have suggested that pi is equals to 3.14 because 1570 is multiple of 3.14. That's why 3.14 multiply by r square and h is 15 centimeter is equals to 1570 centimeter cube. If I want to remove decimal, I have to divide by 100. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Yes. And also here 5 1 is 5, 5 20 is 100. So what will be left here? R square is equals to 1570 multiply by 20 divided, so it will be multiply. 314 in multiply, so it will be divided. It becomes 314 5 ja 1570 centimeter square. So r square is coming 100 centimeter square and r will become square root of 100 centimeter means 10 centimeter. Clear about that? Now the next is given. Same kind of question is there in the fourth. What is given in that? That what you have to take that? Yes. क्या करना है? फोर्थ के अंदर जो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है उसमें वॉल्यूम दे रखा है पाई के साथ में 48 पाई. हाइट दे रखी है हमें 9 सेंटीमीटर. हाइट कितनी दे रखी है? 9 सेंटीमीटर. हमसे डायमीटर पूछा गया. बेस डायमीटर क्या पूछा गया आस्क किया गया. हाउ वी कैन फाइंड आउट दैट? कंपेयर अ फार्मूला. क्या पाई विल बी कैंसिल आउट. अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट सेम वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज गिवन बाय is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. If you will replace that 1 upon 3, pi will remain same because it is in the question that the pi is given. That's why we kept it same. R square h is 9 centimeter is equals to 48 pi centimeter cube. If we cancel out, then it will be cancelled out here. Yes, 3 1 is 3, 3 3 is 9. So r square will become 48 upon 3 centimeter square. If you will solve it, it becomes 16 centimeter square. R square equals to 16 centimeter square and r will equals to square root of 16 centimeter. Then it is equals to 4 centimeter. Remember that there is a difference. If I want to write like that, 16 centimeter square is complete. Otherwise I can write that 16 centimeter. The two things are different but they have the same value. Clear about it? Both are equal because if you will take the square root of centimeter square, then it becomes centimeter. So remember that if you are writing centimeter, so square root will end here only up to 60. Yes, simple question is that. Now see that fifth, it is given that volume of a cone is 9856 centimeter cube. 9,586 9,856 centimeter cube. Diameter is equals to 28 centimeter. What we have to find out, क्या फाइंड आउट करना है हमें? हाइट फाइंड आउट करनी है एक तो, इसके अलावा हमें रेडियस हाइट फाइंड आउट करनी है, स्लैंट हाइट फाइंड आउट करनी है, ठीक है। इसके अलावा हमें क्या फाइंड आउट करना है? कर्व सरफेस एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है। थ्री पार्ट में आते हो, वन बाय वन वी विल सॉल्व देम ऑल। सी, first is given volume of a cone is 9,856 centimeter cube, diameter is 28 centimeter. We have to find out height of the cone, slant height of the cone and curved surface area of the cone. Now see that how we can find out volume of a cone is here. That now we know that volume of a cone is equals to 1/3 pi r square h. 1/3 pi r square h. By comparison, 1/3 multiplied by 22/7, yes, and multiplied by r square, means r is equals to diameter divided by 2. R is equals to d/2. So I am writing here the same, r square upon 2 means 14/2 multiplied by 14/2 into h. H is there, that is equals to unknown, centimeter square is equals to 9,856 centimeter cube. If I want to cancel out them, 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is 14, 2 1 is 2. Yes, clear about it? Sorry, 28/2. What we left here? 2. That 2 will also cancel out because the diameter is 28. That is 28. That will cancel out by 7, 4. Then it will be 2. Then again by 2. Then 1. So what is left here? H is equals to 9,856 multiplied by, what is in divided by 3, multiplied by 3, divide by that 22 multiplied by 28. Yes, if I will simplify, then that what will come here? Yes, 22 से कैंसिल कर लेते हैं सर, 22 4 जा 88, 10 remains, 22 4 जा 88, 17, 22 8 जा 76, and now we will cancel out by that, 28 1 जा 28, 16 remains, 28 6 ja 168 centimeter. If we will solve that, then what is the value of h is coming? 16 into 3 48 centimeter. Now move forward. Yes, one thing we have found out over here, that is h. Now we required slant height. Slant height, I have told you that is the formula is written there. L is equals to square root of h square plus r square, which is equals to 48 square plus 14 square. It is equals to in centimeter. So it is equals to 48 square is 2304 plus 14 square is 196 centimeter. It is equal to square root of 2500 centimeter. If you will take square root of 2500, it is 50 centimeter. Because for one pair of 0 will come, so square root of 25, 5 will come. Very easy it is. Now, second thing we also find out that L is equals to 50 centimeter. Now, the third and important thing we require, that is curved surface area. क्या required है? Curved surface area. Now curved surface area of that is equals to given by pi r l. किससे given किया जाता है? Pi r l से given किया जाता है. pi value is 22 upon 7, r is 28 upon 2 into L is now 50 centimeter square. If I want to cancel out 7 1 is 7, 7 4 is 2, 2 it will multiply 50 into 200 into 22, 2200 centimeter square. Now question number 7th and 8th are there. 7th and 8th both I am taking together. Yes. Yes. In that it is given a right angle triangle is there. What is there? Right triangle is there. Triangle is there whose sides are there. One is 5 centimeter, one is 12 centimeter, one is, and that is 13 centimeter. Clear about it? That is given. Now, the first case is there that they revolved. They revolved in the first case, that revolved around साइड 12 सेंटीमीटर. जब उन्होंने 12 सेंटीमीटर के अराउंड रिवॉल्व किया है, then in that case what will be? Yes, in that case what will happen? Yes, in that case that cone, in that cone the height will be equals to 12 centimeter. Height will be equals to 12 centimeter and radius will be equals to 5 centimeter. That is H, that is R. The slant height will remain in each and every case. When second case I will take, that is revolved around side 5 centimeter. जब हम 5 centimeter के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करेंगे, then in that case that will be height, the radius will be that 12 centimeter, and now slant height will remain same 13 centimeter only. Yes, two cases are there कि मैं जिसके अराउंड हम रिवॉल्व करते हैं वो हमारी क्या हो जाती है, हाइट हो जाती है, सिंपल इट इज. और जो दूसरी जो साइड है वो क्या हो जाती है हमारी, अदर देन हाइपोटेनस, वो कहलाती है हमारी बेस रेडियस. ठीक है, सेम इन दैट केस यहाँ पे जो हमारी जो जिसके अराउंड रिवॉल्व किया गया वो हमारी हाइट हो गई, और जो अदर साइड रह गई अदर देन हाइपोटेनस, दैट विल कॉल्ड रेडियस. क्लियर अबाउट इट? नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट द रेशियो ऑफ द वॉल्यूम्स. क्या करना है, रेशियो फाइंड आउट करना है वॉल्यूम के अंदर. इन दैट केस द वॉल्यूम विल बी, वॉल्यूम इज इक्वल्स टू 1/3 pi r square, means 1/3 pi is pi, you will kept same, r square means 12 into 12 into h is equals to 5. If I will solve it, 3 3 4 is 12, it is equals to 12 5 is 60 into 4 245. Yes, it is equals to 240 pi. Yes, if I will multiply 12 into 4, 48, and into 5, 245. In that case, if I find out the volume, in that case it will be equals to 1/3 pi r square h, same 1/3 here multiply by pi into r square. Here the r is, sorry. Here the r is 25 400 centimeter cube. Because here the radius is 5 centimeter, sorry, and here the radius is 12, so 12 multiplied by 12 into 5 centimeter cube. If I will simplify, 12 4 by 20 into 12, 245 centimeter cube. Now, if I find out the volume ratio between the volume, that is that, and we can find out the ratio between their surface area also, or surface area. Yes, it is equals to, yes, it is equals to 1/3, sorry, pi RL it is equals to that pi RL, it is equals to pi into R is here 5 into L is here 13. ये हो जाएगा 65 सेंटीमीटर 65 pi centimeter square, and in that case CSA will be pi RL pi into 12 into 13, yes, pi into yes, it is equals to pi into 12 into R is here 12 centimeter and L is here 13 centimeter. 12 into 13 is equals to, if you will multiply them, then it is equals to 156 pi centimeter square. Now here we have to find out the ratio between that volume of first case of volume of second case. It is equals to 100 upon 100 pi upon 240 pi. Pi will be cancelled out. 0, 2 5 are 10, 2 12 are 24, 5 upon 12, and ratio will be 5 ratio 12. Now next is question number 9. You have to do self. In that you will find out the volume first, and then you will find out the covered surface area. Thank you. Do the question.